Understanding page numbers in texts. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore a fundamental aspect of reading and writing in English: page numbers. These are the little digits that guide us through the pages of books, documents, and articles. Let's dive into why they're important and how to use them effectively. Page numbers are a numbering system used in books and documents to keep track of the sequence of pages. They are usually found at the top or bottom corner of a page. They help readers navigate through the text, find information quickly, and refer to specific content. Why do we need page numbers? They are crucial for reference and organization. Imagine trying to follow a recipe without page numbers or citing a quote in an essay without them. It would be quite a challenge. When you're reading or writing, page numbers can be your best friend. Use them to bookmark where you've stopped reading, cite sources in academic or professional writing, index content in longer documents. In digital texts, such as PDFs or ebooks, page numbers may function differently. They can be hyperlinked for easy navigation, and sometimes they may not match the print version due to text size adjustments. It's important to know how to locate and use them in digital formats. And that's a wrap on page numbers. I hope this video makes your reading and writing journey smoother. Remember, page numbers are there to make your life easier, so make the most of them. Happy reading, and see you next time.